Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of tattoo care with a product that's been making waves in the industry. If you're a tattoo enthusiast like me, you know how crucial it is to keep your ink looking fresh and vibrant. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the best daily lotion for tattoos on the market, Hustle Butter Tattoo Aftercare Balm. Hustle Butter isn't your average tattoo balm. It's a luxurious blend of natural, vegan ingredients designed to heal and protect both new and older tattoos. With its unique formula, it not only soothes the skin but also rejuvenates the colors of your ink, giving them that vibrant pop they deserve. Whether you're rocking a brand new piece or looking to breathe new life into your existing tattoos, Hustle Butter has got you covered. And here's why it stands out from the crowd. First off, let's talk ingredients. Hustle Butter is made from a blend of shea, mango, and aloe butter, along with coconut, sunflower, and rice bran oils. Plus, it's infused with rosemary oleoresin, green tea, and a vitamin E complex for added nourishment. It's completely cruelty-free and free from petroleum and parabens, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the results they've seen with Hustle Butter. From reducing irritation to enhancing the vibrancy of their tattoos, the proof is in the pudding. And with over 34,000 5-star ratings on Amazon, it's clear that this product is a fan favorite. Another thing I love about Hustle Butter is its versatility. Not only does it work wonders as a tattoo aftercare balm, but it's also great for everyday use as a moisturizer. Just a small amount goes a long way, so you can keep your skin looking and feeling its best without breaking the bank. And let's talk about that scent. Hustle Butter has a delightful tropical fragrance that's sure to transport you to paradise with every application. It's like a mini vacation for your senses. So there you have it, folks, the best daily lotion for tattoos, Hustle Butter Tattoo Aftercare Balm. Whether you're a seasoned ink aficionado or new to the tattoo game, this product is a game changer. So why wait? Give your tattoos the love they deserve and pick up a jar of Hustle Butter today. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on all your favorite products. Until next time, stay fabulous.